Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to make a healthy smoothie that is high in many nutrients that your body requires. It will help to detoxify your system and remove any toxic from your system. So stay tuned. So to make this smoothie, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of chia seed. So I have water in the bowl and I'm going to add refreshing and tastes really good. You need to enjoy 1 cup of this drink a day and your body will thank you every day because of all the wonderful nutrients that this drink contains. This smoothie contains important nutrients that your body needs. It will help you to stay healthy, lose weight, boost your immune system. It will also detoxify your system and remove any heavy metal that is causing damages to your body. This smoothie will also help to keep your bones strong. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.